Okay, so now we are faced with question 8, and there's still a walk in the park. So it says y is equal to 2x plus 5 all over 3x minus 2. We're supposed to find the derivative. We can do it in no time. Okay, so these things are dividing. So to find the derivative, we are going to have u and v again, but u be the top, v is the bottom. And then we'll do our quotient rule. So we're going to say let u be equal to 2x plus 5, then v be equal to 3x minus 2. Then again, we need to find u prime, which is going to be the derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 5 is nothing. V prime, the derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, then the derivative of negative 2 is nothing. So now we're going to say y prime is going to be low. Remember, this v is also called the low, then u is also called the high. Okay, so it's going to be low, which is v d high, derivative of the top, minus high, which is u, d low, v prime, all over square the bottom, v squared. Okay, if you wanted it, it looks like the product rule, but then, yes, it looks like the product rule, but then it will have over v squared. Okay, the product rule also says plus, here it'll be saying minus. So it's going to be low d high minus high d low over square. Low, which is v, d high is the derivative of the top, which is u prime, minus high, u, d low, v prime over square the bottom. Remember, it's low d high minus high d low. It's not high d low minus low d high. No, it's low d high minus high d low. Okay, so it's low, which is v d high u prime, minus high u d low v prime, all over square the bottom, which is square the low, which is v squared. Okay, now what is it going to be? Let's just put the things. What is my v? 3x minus 2. What is it multiplying u prime, which is just a 2? Then minus, we put a big thing, which is, it's now minus u, which is, what is the u? 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 multiplying v prime, which is 3. And this is all over. Please put this big bracket after this negative. The negative should affect the result, the whole result. Over square the bottom, you go to v and you square it. It's 3x minus 2, so it's 3x minus 2 all squared. It's now all squared. This is going to be now, let's simplify. So 2 multiplies 3x, it's 6x. 2 multiplies negative 2 is going to be negative 4. Then minus, the solution is 3 multiplies 2x, it's 6x. 3 multiplies 5 is plus 15. But they are all affected by this negative. All over the bottom, we still keep it as a 3x minus 2 all squared. Okay, we don't rush to simplify denominators. Remember, we say that 6x minus 4 minus of 6x, then minus of 15 all over 3x minus 2 all squared. This now becomes, you have a 6x minus 6x, they cancel. Minus 4 minus 15, you put in the calculator. Make sure you get a negative 19. It's all over 3x minus 2 all squared, which we can then put the negative in front to say it's negative of 19 all over 3x minus 2 all squared. This is our final solution, and you'll be done. Then we'll go to part B. Goodbye for now.